Good morning, everyone. I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In probability, I am going to discuss chessboard related problems. These are important. Those are in permutation combinations also we are discussed. First is that chessboard. There are white, black color squares are there. Each row or each column. See that how many squares are there? There are 8 squares. Out of 8, 4 white, 4 black. This is 8 by 8 square. 8 by 8 means total 64 squares are there. Out of 64 squares, 32 are black color. Black how many? Black 32, white 32. Okay. Now observe here 54th question. 3 1 by 1 squares of a chessboard having 8 by 8 squares being chosen at random. The chances that all the three are white color. All the three are white color. First, n of s. Total how many squares are there? There are 64 squares. Out of 64 can be select 3. And what is the event here? If the event of selecting 3 white color squares. So white color, how many are there? 32. Out of 32 can be select 3. Required probability P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. 32 C3 by 64 C3. This is the answer. Which option correct, students? First option correct. Okay, right. Next, I'm going to another problem. Students, read the question, what they are given. Here, 3 1 by 1 squares of a chessboard having 8 by 8 squares are chosen at random. The chances that 2 are of one color and one is different color. Totally, here we need to select 3 squares out of 64. So n of s is 64 C3 only. But what is n of s? Here two colors. See, there are two cases are possible. White and black. For suppose first case, white 2 squares, black 1 square, plus white 1 color, black 2 colors. These are the possibility. These are the possibilities. Now write that n of e. How many whites are there? There are 32. Select 2 into blacks 32 are there, select 1, plus second case, out of 32 white select 1, out of 32 black select 2. Overall observe this, 2 times 32 C2 into 32 C1. This is n of e. Now write the required probability. So I am writing here, therefore P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. That is 2 into 32 C2 into 32 C1 divided by 64 C3. This is the required problem. Which option correct, students? Third option correct. Here in the question, 3 squares we want to select. All the 3 of the same color. Same color in the sense all are white or black. Here two cases are possible. Out of 32 white color select 3. Out of 32 black select 3. So we get answer 2 into 32 C3. Now n of s is 64 C3. Required probability is 2 into 32 C3 by 64 C3. Second option correct. Okay, students. I'm going to another problem. This is important. This is important. 64th question. Read the problem first, what they are given. Two squares of a chessboard. How many squares? Two squares of a chessboard having 8 by 8 squares are selected randomly. The probability that they have a side in common. Select any two squares. In between the two squares, one side is common. That type of squares, how many are there? We need to identify. First, we know that total possible cases, n of s, out of 64 squares, select 2. Now, event, what is the event here? E be the event of selecting, they have a side in common. Now, students here observe that side in common means first I am going to two common sides. Two common sides, how many squares are possible? Three common sides, four common sides. One common side related squares not there. Okay. Two common side squares related. So those squares I am going to identify. This is one. This square, observe that the common side is this. This is the common side between white and black. Here also common side between white and black. Here how many common sides are there? Two common sides. This is one square. Okay. Go to here corners. This is one more square. This is one more. This is one more. Totally number of squares have two common sides. Number of squares have two common sides. Two common sides. How many squares are possible here? There are four squares. Four squares. So I am writing here 4. But here number of common sides means 2 into 4 we want to write. First I am going to identify that number of squares have two common sides is 4. Now three common sides. Three common sides. So those we want to identify. How to identify? See. One second, students. And now observe that three common squares, three common sides. This is one common side. This is another. This is one. These square having that three common sides are not. And see white colors. One, see, this is one common side. This is one. This is one. So like that, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is also. These are sorry, not this. This one. And this. So except corners, remaining all edges, those are having three common sides. How many are there like that? How many are there like that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also, yes, here again mistake, not this. Son, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 times. 6 fours are 24. Three common sides having number of squares means 24. Number of squares have four common sides. Four common sides. Students observe that any one of the square, Which square having 4 common sides? This is common side. This is also common. This is also common. This is these particular square having 4 common sides. Okay. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 into 6, 36. 36 squares have 4 sides in common. But here one problem is, if you are taking this square, this is the common side between these two. Whenever you are considering this square, between these two, again common sides. That means the common sides are repeated twice. Finally, we can divide with 2, we get the answer. Okay. Now, number of common sides. Total I am writing. Number of common sides, that is equal to, here 2 common sides, there are 4 squares, plus 3 common sides, there are 24 squares, plus 4 common sides, there are 36 squares, divided by 2. Why I am writing 2? Each common side is repeatedly we are taking. Okay. Now calculate this. Numerator you will get 224 by 2. That should be 112. This is n of e. So required probability P of e, that is equal to n of e by n of s. N of e 112, n of s 64, C2. This is the answer. I think students, all of you understood, no? Another question. 16 squares of unit size are selected at random on a chessboard. The probability that they form a square of 4 by 4. So we need to select 16 squares. Those 16 squares are form 4 by 4 square. Now, students, observe carefully. So how many that type of 4 by 4 squares are possible? First, see here. This is 1. Yes or no? This is 1. How many squares are there here? See, here 3 by 3. This is wrong. We can take up to here now. Yes. Now it is correct. Okay. So these 4 squares, 4 by 4. This is a 4 by 4 squares. Okay. Next, you take another one. For suppose these 4 squares. How many chances here? Second. Next, I'm going to this is. How many chances? See, this is third one. This is third one. Okay. Next, one more. This is one more. 4 completed. Next, finally, last one. This is. How many are possible, students? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 possible. So I am counted here horizontally. Same like that, count vertically also. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 not possible. So here my counting is missed here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. I am written now. So starting onwards, I want to write actually. So here onwards I am writing 1. That means these 4 squares. sorry, these four squares. These four squares. Four, right? Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Horizontally 5 possible, vertically 5 possible. Now finally, n of e is equal to 5 into 5. How much? 25 4 by 4 squares are possible. Then what is n of s? N of s means out of 64 squares can be select 16 squares. Those are form 4 by 4 square. Required probability P of E is equal to N of S by, sorry, N of E by N of S, 64C 16. This is the answer. Which option correct? First option correct. Students observe that another model problem. Here formula also is there. Once read the question, what they are given. If 4 squares are selected at random on a chessboard, 8 by 8, the probability that they will be in diagonal line. They will be in diagonal line. We want to select the 4 squares, they will be in diagonal line. We know very well, if it is there squares, square, this is one diagonal, this is another diagonal. Yes or no? There are two types of diagonals, right? Now I am going to observe that in squares. First, I want to select 4 squares in diagonal line. See, if you are taken these diagonal line, here only 2 squares are possible. Here 3 squares are possible. But they are asking 4 squares now. Where it is possible, tell me. Where it is possible, here onwards. This is. These four squares are in diagonal line. Yes or no? Here also 4 squares are there. Here also 4 squares are there. Here also 4 squares are there. In black, see black. Here also, one second, the color is not visible. Now I will draw here. This one. This is also 4 squares. Here also 4 squares. And here also 4 squares are there. But more than 4, no problem. Out of that we can select. Okay. Similarly, here also. But observe students, these two repeated twice. And this is also already we are done here. These two repeated. So each one we are getting 2 times or not. Okay. Now draw the total. How many are there? This is one more. This is okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever is these diagonal not repeated, only one time. This is one diagonal line. Go to another diagonal line. So I am taking here this way. Here also 4 squares are there. Here also 4 squares. Those are repeated twice. Okay. And this is one more. And this is one more. Like that. Finally, middle one. Students, are you understood? Okay. But if 4 by 4 square, see that this one, here once, and here once, here, and here. How many times we got? 4 times. 4 times. So that's why. And only diagonal line. It is repeated only twice. Remaining all repeated 4 times each. 4 times each. And middle one is repeated only 2 times. Okay. Now see here formula. A square are selected at random from a chessboard. The probability that they lie on a diagonal line. This is the formula 4 into 7CR plus and so on RCR plus 2 into 8CR. Why here written 2 into 8CR? Those are big diagonal. Big diagonal. Only 2 times repeated now. Remaining all repeated 4 times. This is R value. 1 to 7. If R value is 8, 2 by 64 C8. R value 8 means big diagonal. Okay. So in this problem, what they are given R value? R value is 4 because they are selecting 4 squares only now. Now I am writing required probability P of E is equal to 4 into 7C4 plus 6C4 plus 5C4 plus 4C4. Don't write 3C4. 3C4 cannot be exist. 2 into 8C4. 8C4 divided by out of 64 squares can be select 4 squares. Those are in diagonal. This is the answer. But see the options, how they are written. In terms of sigma, they are written. Sigma means summation only now. So I am going to write 4 into sigma. By observing the options, I am writing n is equal to 4 to 7 NC. Sorry, 7C. So NC4 only, no? Right. NC4 plus final one 2 into 8C4 divided by 64C4. Okay. So which option correct, students? Observe carefully. 2 into 8C4, where is that? Only in fourth option. Only in fourth option. So fourth option is correct answer. Okay. I think all of you understood now.